Welcome back. This is part 2 of our series on writing effective prompts for generative AI. Today, we dive into the power of detailed prompts. If you want truly specific and high-quality output from AI, you need to move beyond the basics and embrace the detail. In part 1, we covered the basics, stating your task clearly, using simple language, and including key keywords. Detailed prompts matter because they drastically reduce ambiguity, helping the AI zero in on the precise result you're looking for, leading to higher quality and more relevant results. The foundation of a strong detailed prompt is clearly defining the content, or what, and the goal, or why. Being specific about the desired output is crucial. Instead of write a paragraph, try generate a 150-word persuasive summary about climate change solutions. Always state the ultimate objective or purpose clearly. Is it to inform, persuade, entertain, or sell a product? This context guides the AI's approach. Next, let's look at setting boundaries and providing essential context. Specify the required tone, whether it's formal, humorous, or technical. Define the style, like journalistic or academic. And don't forget the format, such as a list, a script, or a blog post. Including necessary background information or contextual cues ensures the AI uses the correct foundational knowledge, avoiding generic or irrelevant content. Tailoring your prompt to the target audience and the final medium is essential for maximum impact. When writing for a target audience, consider their knowledge level, interests, and potential questions. For example, writing for experts is different from writing for beginners. Thinking about the output medium is vital. Are you generating an article, a video script, a social media caption, or a specific image style? This dictates formatting and content choices. Great prompts are rarely written perfectly the first time. They require iterative refinement. Refine your prompts by adding examples of what you want, or perhaps more powerfully, what you want excluded. This fine-tunes the AI's understanding. Before finalizing, review and test your prompt. Does it flow logically? Is it clear? If the output isn't right, adjust one variable at a time until you achieve the desired result. Mastering the detailed prompt is your key to unlocking the full potential of generative AI. Remember to cover the what and why constraints like tone and format, and specify your audience and medium for the best outcome. Join us next time as we explore advanced prompting techniques like few-shot learning and chain-of-thought prompting to further supercharge your AI interactions.